This video kicks off Unit 2 for Module 4, which will cover incident impact and investigation. This will prepare you for questions 3.1 and 3.2 by helping you classify different types of threats, understand how to assess incident severity, and learn how to prepare and use a forensics toolkit. There are the threats we know about. Then, there are the ones lurking in corners we don't even know exist. Your job is to plan for both, the known and the unknown. Antivirus solutions are devised to detect known threats and are a vital piece of the puzzle, but they are no longer enough. You mustn't only develop a cybersecurity strategy simply around known threats. You will now need to catalog discovered threat patterns and regularly analyze user behaviors in order to respond to known unknowns. This addition is now key to a robust cybersecurity plan. A zero-day threat is an attack that is launched by exploiting an unknown vulnerability. Since analysts only become aware of the existence of a bug on or after the day of an attack, the bug is known as a zero-day threat. There are no security solutions available for a zero-day threat. Attackers employ various methods to exploit zero-day vulnerabilities. These exploits are often the work of a number of malicious programmers working in a group. Being aware of the latest threat intelligence is crucial, because this will often point to the existence of a zero-day threat. In such a situation, you will need to analyze whether your IT assets are vulnerable to the potential threat. If they are, issue an alert. Zero-day attacks, which are normally planned to cause serious harm within 24 hours, can significantly impact your organization's threat level. An advanced persistent threat refers to malicious processes occurring undetected over a period of time. APTs are often aimed at a particular entity, sometimes even a country, where the motive can be either commercial or political. Usually, the objective of APTs is data theft, not necessarily infrastructure damage. Implementing a combination of security processes to detect and respond to APTs is important. In addition to regularly scanning for Trojan, worm, or virus signatures, watch for signs of command and control tools or activity, or for unusual network activities. In APTs, a hacker does something called a withdrawal, where he actually gets rid of proof of attack. So one method of identifying known unknowns is by looking for attacks which occurred in the past and escaped detection, perhaps due to a withdrawal. There are many threat classification standards available to help you understand the various types of hacker behaviors and to help you classify threats. One of the main standards is called the Structured Threat Information Expression, or STIX. And it's not the band, though you were so excited for that, right? Mr. Roboto. STIX was developed by MITRE and provides a helpful vocabulary for threat description. The architecture is based on 9 concepts of how they relate to each other. Observables, which are recorded properties which occur in an information systems environment. An example might include the value of a registry key. Indicators refer to patterns of observables about behaviors relevant to cybersecurity analysis. Incidents are indicators representing a distinct security event. A complete definition of the incident includes a description of indicators along with timing, affected assets, and impact. Tactics, techniques, and procedures, or TTPs, describe the known methods of attackers. A TTP is a detailed account of what an attacker does and how he goes about doing it. Campaigns refer to cases of attackers following a course of action. A series of incidents and TTPs taking place across the network are indicative of a campaign. Threat actors are an entity with malicious intent towards an organization's security. There are typically 3 classifications of threat actors, including external, internal, and partner. Exploit targets refer to the categorization of vulnerabilities in systems, configurations, and software. These are the targets of threat actors. Courses of action, or COA, basically refers to remediation of an exploit target or response to a security incident. COA describes specific preventative or corrective measures to attend to exploit targets or mitigate potential consequences of incidents. Data markings. STIX does not insist on a single approach to data marking, but allows for flexibility in 2 ways. The data marking structure accommodates independent specification of incidents and the use of different marking schemes. Beyond STIX, there's another framework called Incident Object Description Exchange Format. IODEF provides a format for exchanging messages relating to information security between computer security incident response teams. These messages are in human-readable format, which is great because you're probably a human.